Meaning of indisposed.
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 Indisposed. The word indisposed means that someone is feeling unwell or unable to do something. It can refer to physical illness or emotional discomfort. People may feel indisposed due to a variety of reasons, including sickness, fatigue, stress, or anxiety. When someone is indisposed, they may experience symptoms such as nausea, headache, dizziness, or weakness. This can result in them being unable to attend events, complete tasks, or engage in activities they had planned. It is important to take care of oneself when feeling indisposed and seek medical attention if necessary.